What's going on, Really Clean fam? My name's Ron. This is Eric. We have Steve behind the camera. Check out our new van. Today we're doing the build out. It's going to be super cool when it's all done. We're putting a floor in, we're putting walls in, we're putting things to hang things up to make it more efficient. Follow us along the entire way. I think I can finish my basement today.
Yeah.
Get smart, mother.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. You don't
Yeah.
drill it or not. You get addicted or not.
Right next to you. Why not? Get it?
What are we looking at? You know what makes it better, Ron, too? That it's a little higher. So now you're not bending down. It's this level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So now you're not. Yeah, we lose 6 inches, but does it really matter?
There's only a drawer in there.
What's
Right,
6 inches?
6 inches is big.
Just like that.
Yeah. Oh. Yep. Come on.
Now you guess what, Rod?
Yo.
You can put stuff on there. If you get a 2x4, just to keep it rigid.
Yeah. Right there. In the middle.
Or one there, or one on the end.
Yeah. That makes sense.
46 and a quarter.
Yeah. Small little doors. Yeah, exactly. That door is under your bed. Right there. You find them out. The only thing is, I think we should put a stop on the back.
This one?
Yeah, so see how it's just open?
Yeah.
Put a 2x4 up there.
You want one this way?
One that way and one on the top.
You put the little things in there for the ride.
Make sure you can see out the back with that.
Not bad for an amateur, huh?
Not bad at all. Thank you very much for your help. I appreciate it.